Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Mama Adam Faiz bin Shafuddin and I from BA111 1A. This presentation and discussion is about Case Study 1 Compound Interest, Case Study 2 Annuity. It will be presented by me and this is our group members.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatimah Munira binti Muhammad and I'm from BA111 1A.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Afif Najimuddin bin Muhammad Adani. I'm from BA111 1A.
What is compound interest? Compound interest is the interest imposed on a loan or deposit amount. It is the most commonly used concept in our daily existence. The compound interest for an amount depends on both principal and interest gained over periods. Now we will discuss the case study 1, compound interest. Mr. Faiz is a retired teacher. He opened a savings account which offered an interest rate 25% compounded annually for 6 years with an initial deposit Rm 100,000. Now we have a B as a principal amount which is 100,000 ringgit. Next, we have a K as interest rate stated there 100,000 ringgit. And then as a frequency as stated in the program statement compounded annually which means equals to 1. Next, we have a 6 years for T. We have listed all the information formed into the program statement. After that, we need to find I. So, K over M to get I, which means 0.25 over 1. And we get 0.25. We also need to find N. So, M multiplied with T and we get 6. Starting from here to find S, the formula is P in the bracket 1 plus I in the power of N. So we just need to enter all information into the formula. And the S, which is future value, we get 381,469.73. Objective 2, to calculate the total interest. So we have the S, which is future value, equals to 381,169.73 ringgit. Next, we have a P which is 100,000 ringgit. So now we need to find I. So all the information we need to enter at the formula. The formula is I equals to S minus P. So the answer we get is 281,469.73 ringgit.
Objective 3. To calculate the accumulated amount at the end of 6 years. If Mr. Faiz deposited 20,000 ringgit from his saving accounts at the end of the 4 years. S1 equals to P1 times in bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N. S1 is equals to 100,000 ringgit times in bracket 1 plus 0.25 close bracket 4 to the power of 4. S1 is equals to 244,140 ringgit and 63 cents. P new is equals to S1 plus P2. P new is equals to 244,140 ringgit and 63 cents plus 20,000 ringgit. P new is 264,140 ringgit and 63 cents. S equals to P new plus 1 in bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N2. S is equals to 264,140 ringgit 63 cents times in bracket 1 plus 0.25 close bracket to the power of 2. S is equals to 412,719 ringgit and 73 cents. Objective 4. To calculate the accumulated amount at the end of 6 years or if the interest rates becomes 30% compounded annually after 2 years. S1 is equals to P times in bracket 1 plus I close bracket and 1. S1 is equals to 100,000 times in bracket 1 plus 0.25 close bracket to the power of 2. S1 is equals 156,250 ringgit. S is equals to S1 times in bracket 1 plus I2 close bracket and to the power of N2. S is equals to 156,250 ringgit times in bracket 1 plus 0.3 close bracket to the power of 4. S is equals to 446,265 ringgit and 63 cents.
Introduction. So, what is annuity? Annuity is a concept enable people to plan for the future in terms of investment and saving. It also are insurance contract that promise to pay you regular income immediately or in the future. The problem statement is Adam buy a house for the first time that cost 445,000 ringgit at Shah Alam, Selangor. He pays a down payment of 20% of it. He applied for a loan to settle the balance. The bank charged 3.5% interest compounded monthly. The repayment of the loan must be settled through monthly payments for 30 years. The objective number 1 is we need to determine the value of monthly payment equals to R. The cost price is 445,000 ringgit. The down payment equals to 20% in bracket 0.2 multiply with 445,000 ringgit and we get 89,000 ringgit. So we need to find the balance. The balance equals to cash payment minus down payment. So we get 356,000 ringgit equal to A. The K equals to 3.5% in bracket 0.035. The M equals to 12. The T equals to 30 years. The M equals to M multiplied with T. So we get 360. And the I equals to K over M. So we get 7 over 2,400. So we need to find R. So for this, we need to use the formula R equals to A multiplied with I over in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I, the negative to the power of n. So we just put all the information in the formula. So R we get 1,598 ringgit and 60 cents. Number 2, we need to calculate the total interest incurred equals to I. So R we have 1,598 and 60 cents. The N equals to 360. A equals to 356,000 ringgit and we need to find the I. So for this we need to find I. So we need to use the formula I equals to R in bracket N minus A. So we just put all the information in the formula, which is we get I equals to 1,598 ringgit and 60 cents in bracket 360 minus with 356,000 ringgit and I we get 219,419 ringgit.
Objective 3. To calculate the total outstanding balance if the payment was settled earlier than scheduled at the 5th years. AN equals to R times 1 in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of negative n close bracket divided by I. A300s is equals to 1,598 ringgit and 60 cents times in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0 over 2,400 close bracket to the power of negative 300 close bracket and divided by 7 over 2,400. A300 is equals to 390,000 ringgit 321 ringgit 76 cents. To determine the accumulated amount if the borrower missed 5 consecutive monthly payments. Sn equals to R times in bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of n minus 1 close bracket divided by I. S6 equals to 1,598 ringgit 60 cents times in bracket 1 plus 7 over 2,400 close bracket to the power of 6 minus 1 close bracket to the divided by 7 over 2,400. S6 is equals to 966 ringgit and 81 cents.